Morning chaps, this is just my little pre-ride check. All very technical in here, as you can see. Very technical. Bungees everywhere. Right, there you go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I covered that up, obviously. Right. Pre-ride check on the biggie. Ooh, they put steering lock on. 2 bars of fuel. Not good. Try this one. This one takes a long time for the fuel gauge to come up, but ooh, it starts. And it's pretty clean. Come on, fuel gauge, make your mind up. Nearly 1600 miles on this one, and we've got over 3/4 of a tank. Yeah, I suppose it would be because I've only done 43 miles since I reset the trip. Nearly on full, look. Oh, it's decided then. Yeah, it's got tacks on it. Down out, if you can see it. So is that one, but it's round the other side. If you can see that, look, they're nearly bored. Look, poor little thing's nearly bored. So that's it. That's bike inspection over. I'm going to go out on this one. End of. Got more spare tyres over there for the push bikes. So that's it. Inspection done. What is more to be done? As long as you've got fuel, tax, and glorious sunny weather, what more could one want? Well, that's my take on it. See you later.